Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the power rule of exponents. This is a key concept for simplifying algebraic expressions. So, what exactly is the power rule? Simply put, when you have a base raised to a power and that entire term is raised to another power, you multiply the exponents. The base stays the same. Let's visualize this to make sense of it. Take 2 cubed, all raised to the second power. This exponent of 2 on the outside tells us we have two groups of 2 cubed multiplied together. If we expand those groups, each 2 cubed consists of 3 factors of 2. So we have one group of 3 2's multiplied by another group of 3 2's. When we count them all up, we have a total of 6 2's multiplied together. Notice that 3 times 2 equals 6. This confirms that 2 cubed raised to the second power is 2 to the sixth. This leads us to the general formula. X to the power of a raised to the power of b equals x to the power of a times b. You just multiply the inside exponent by the outside exponent. Let's try an example with variables. Here we have y to the 4th power raised to the 5th power. To solve this, we multiply 4 by 5, which gives us 20, so the answer is y to the 20th. Here is another example. X squared raised to the 4th power. We multiply 2 by 4 to get 8. The simplified expression is x to the 8th power. A very common mistake is adding the exponents instead of multiplying them. Remember, if you see parentheses separating the exponents like this, you must multiply. X squared cubed is x to the 6th, not x to the 5th. Now it is your turn to practice. Try to solve a cubed raised to the 4th power. If you multiplied 3 times 4 to get 12, you are correct. The answer is a to the 12th.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.